Thank you everyone for coming to my talk. I'm a little bit hearing about what you all do. I'm curious to get your take on what we're going to talk about today, because I feel like I'm going to touch on some things that some of you might know maybe even a little bit better than me. So we'll see. This is sort of a repeat of a talk that I gave to the machine learning meetup way back in 2013. So it's been about 5 years, and I kind of updated it a little bit, but there's still a lot that I think that I could do with kind of the idea that that I stumbled upon in this talk. And so maybe we'll get a chance to talk about this. I hope we have a discussion at the end. But before we get into that, I'll tell you a little bit about myself. I worked as a machine learning engineer at Foursquare from 2011 to this past February. And first few years I was there, I was working on Foursquare's recommendation engine, which is a city guide. So it's like people are giving reviews to a restaurant. Should I recommend this restaurant or not? And when diving into those problems, that's sort of where I kind of got interested in these statistical distributions. I mean,